Today we're going to learn another section of vocal warm-ups extravaganza. This one is called ascending thirds. So first we need to talk about what a third is. A third is just the difference between two notes if there's 3 steps between them. So third, 3. So for example, if I were going to go do, that's 1, re, that's 2, mi, that's 3. So that means in between do and mi, there's a distance or an interval of a third. So an interval is just the difference between those notes. And that same kind of thing works for any 3 notes that are right next to each other like that. So even if I were going to start on re instead and go like this, re, mi, fa, that means there's also a third in between re and fa. Now thirds are a little bit more difficult to sing because they're what we call a skip, because we're skipping a note in between. So if we're singing from do to mi like this, do, mi, we're skipping re in between. So it's a little bit more difficult for your brain to learn how to sing that. But that's why we're going to work on it in extravaganza, because if you get really good at that, you can pretty much sing anything, because music, regular music that we sing, does have skips in it. It has intervals of a third in it. So it'll be easier for you to learn that music if we know how to sing thirds. So I will show you vocal warm-ups extravaganza. This ascending third is going to be singing basically all the thirds that exist in the major scale. So I'll sing it for you once you know what it's supposed to sound like, and then I'll have you sing it with me. So it goes like this. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do. And again, ascending means going up. So we're just going to go from low do to high do, and then we'll stop on that one for today. And one more time, just like I explained in the last couple of videos, remember this top line with the treble clef is for the soprano alto range, and then the bottom line with the bass clef is for the tenor baritone bass range. So we're not going to sing this ascending thirds thing twice. Those 2 things are happening at the exact same time. That's why they're above and below one another. That means they're happening, and they're connected on the left side. That means they're happening at the same time. So this time, go ahead and try to sing ascending thirds with me. 1, 2, ready, and sing. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do. So those are your ascending thirds. And if you need to read the words while we're singing it, that's completely fine. This will take a while to get used to. Now, we're going to go back to the beginning of vocal warm-ups extravaganza and sing from major scale all the way through to the end of ascending thirds. So go ahead and sing with me. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Transition. Do, ti, la, minor scale. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Transition. La, ti, do. Octaves. Do, do. Chromatic scale. Do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, so, si, la, li, ti, do. Descending. Do, ti, te, la, le, so, se, fa, mi, me, re, la, do. Ascending thirds. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do. That's it. So far you've got all the way through the top of page 2 of Vocal Warm-Ups Extravaganza.